Hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome. Thank you very much. How are you everyone? How did it go whole week? I keep waiting for Thursdays. People say TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. I say thank God it's Thursday. I am about to meet my kids. Welcome. Okay, now is it about time? We still have, I think, 1 minute. Do you have any calendar in your house? Calendar? The old-fashioned calendar? Nowadays, nobody uses calendar because they have mobile everything. This kind of calendar you have anywhere lying around?
Should it be up to date or can it be like last year?
Any. 20-year-old will also do. We will have some fun with this. Remember, I promised you that we will be doing algebra more and more.
So I think I have my school calendar.
Any calendar, wherever you can see the months and year, any year calendar you can bring. We have time, so we can have a head start over others. Let others join. In the meantime, go grab some one calendar, old one. And one more option exists. If you don't have calendar, don't worry. Awesome. In India, oh my goodness, SBI calendar. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Nidhi has the biggest one, big one. In India, everybody has one calendar on the wall. You know why? Because in India, every second
my mama threw the calendar away.
Yes. No. In India, there are so many vacations. So everybody has a calendar on the wall to see when is the next vacation coming up. This Jayanti, this holiday, fun. In UAE, no vacations here. Huh? Only we have Eid, Prophet Muhammad birthday, and the day king was, Sheikh Muhammad became king, like that, few holidays, that's all. In India, Christian holidays, Parsi holidays, Jain holidays, Hindu holidays, Muslim holidays, everybody holidays. Here, no, only few holidays. So people have calendars. Okay, can we start now? Is everybody in? Can we start?
Yes, we can start.
Okay, great. Now you have a calendar in front of you. Take a marker. You choose. See, whenever we start with a fun exercise, right? If I dip you directly into some serious mathematics, you will run away from the class. So what I do, I will give you some dose of fun first. Okay. So we have a calendar like this, any calendar. So what you do, make a 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means choose any 3. Arabic calendar. Oh, English calendar. See here, 3 and 3. Make a square covering 9 here, like this, any 3. You see, 3 like this, 3 like this. Choose any 9 squares on the calendar. Choose any one you have. We check it, the voice in another.
So what if we don't have a calendar?
Then you can watch what we are doing, one thing. And second, you have an option to print the calendar. Otherwise, you can watch, you can play this trick later.
Its voice is good.
Okay, great.
Not bad.
Yes, Beta. Now just see, Kabir, if you don't have calendar, no problem. You can watch us do it and then you can try later on. But you can also do one thing. In the Google search calendar and take a printout on the printer. Okay, 3 into 3. When you find calendar, you play this trick. It is very fine. Make anywhere in your calendar. 3 into 3, 9. Now next step is adding these digits, 1, 2, 3, all these digits. Here I say 4, 5, 6. In your case, it will be different, right? In your case, it will be different. Simply add all these digits, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. In your case, it will be different. All 9 digits you add and write somewhere. I will write what I get. You write what you get. Okay. Why should I bother? I will use a calculator. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. 126 is the sum. My sum, this is 126. What is your sum? You keep it to yourself.
Sir, you did all the digits.
Yes, sum the all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All digits. In my case, you see here it is 4, 5, 6. Then it is 11, 12, 13. Then I have 18, 19. I added all.
Sir, should I tell the
No. Keep it with you. Kavi, no problem. Just keep it. Keep it away. Okay.
सर आप अपने कमलेश साइनी भाई फोन को म्यूट कर दो, आपकी आवाज डबल आ रही है. कमलेश साइनी एक वो है.
I will mute it from here. Okay, it is done, beta. Thank you. So, Harjas, if you have any calendar lying around, old calendar, you can go grab it.
Then
This is
I have two.
Any calendar, any
I have
calendar.
two.
Any
I
calendar.
have two.
Yes, any calendar you bring. We are just playing a game, a magical game. Okay.
Sir, I got 144.
144. Perfect. Okay, you keep it away. Now the trick goes like this. Okay, come away. See, now I am a magician. He is magician, and he says, okay, go select any square. So I selected this square. Okay, I will ask him. He will ask me, okay, have you added the numbers? I will say, yes, I have added the number, but don't tell the magician. Magician will tell you what the numbers are. Just tell him what is the smallest number. Now see here, smallest number is which one? Smallest number is 4.
Sir, 4.
4. In your case also, you write 4. Whatever your smallest number is in this square, whatever smallest number is.
Okay, sir.
You write smallest number you have written. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
have two things. One, the smallest number, and one, the sum. Some magician doesn't know, right? Now you are the magician. You have to find, using the minimum number, what is the sum of all these 9 digits. Anybody has an idea how to do it?
I have an idea.
You know,
Yes.
I have told you the trick already. He is at an advantage because he already knows the trick. This is why. Okay, now you know the minimum number. Okay, now we will do, everybody has his own calendar. You add 8 to the number. Whatever minimum number was, add 8. Okay, in my case, what was the minimum number? 4. So I added 8. How much it comes? 12. Add 8.
Add the middle.
Yes.
Middle multiply 9.
No. Minimum x plus 8. 4 plus 8, 12.
No, it will go to the middle, but try the middle number.
Uncle, can you repeat again?
Okay, you do one thing. The minimum number, you simply add 8 to it. 8.
I
Add it and then multiply by 9. Multiply by 9. Sorry, I made a mistake here. It is not 126. My number is 108.
It worked.
Is it the same as your sum?
It is.
Everybody? Minimum number, simply add 8 and multiply 9.
Yes, yes, sir.
So the total number of those 9 digits, and try it with another square now. Choose any arbitrary square. And we will use
Okay.
algebra today. Huh?
I got 126.
Okay. This is the sum. Huh? And what is the
Yeah.
minimum number, Kavi?
6.
6. Then add 8 to 6. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Multiply 9. 126.
126.
Is it the same? Right? Now choose another square. Another square.
So, what are we seeing? Are we seeing the n number or?
We will see. We will see. I will try to explain to you how it works. First thing is, yeah.
Answer.
When we multiplied by
we
added
will
8
see.
and multiplied by 9,
Yes.
what are we seeing? Are we
The
like
total number, sum of all these.
you have to add?
Square. Yeah, square number, all 9 digits, sum of 9 digits. Suppose I choose this digit now, this here. So I will add 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18. Sum of all digit will come. Try it
Sir-
with another square.
Do we multiply by 9 because it's a 3 by 3 square
No.
and there are 9 squares?
That will come later. It will start making sense when we analyze how this thing works. Right now, let us see, is it working? And once we know it is working, then we will get behind the trick and we will analyze why this works. Because there has to be a mathematical reason. In science, you know, if you are crossing the road, there is a huge traffic, you didn't follow cross traffic rule, you are still able to get to the other end of the road without losing any limb. It is not science. It is pure luck. But in mathematics and science, the same thing has to work every time. Then only it is mathematics, right? So we are trying with another square. Does it work? Third square, fourth. Then we will analyze why it works and why we are using 9 and why we are multiplying with 8. That's where algebra comes.
No, why we are adding it with 8 and
Yes,
multiplying it by
adding 8 and multiplying with 9. You know, algebra is, in schools, what we do, they will say, okay, come, today is algebra class. You will say, okay, today, what is this algebra? So you will start learning algebra. You will think, what I will do with algebra? It is so complicated. But now what we are doing, we are seeing an application now and we will use algebra to solve it.
And see, one thing I want to touch like you have told me the trick, but you have not told what's behind it.
How it works, that I have not told you. Yes.
That's the thing. You should know how does it work.
How does it work? So what we will do, we will
Rub
make
on
a square here. Now, is it visible? Can you check in the phone? Is it visible?
Oh yeah, I'm thinking.
Is it visible? The here. Check it on another one. By the time I will prepare why it works for you. Does it work on another square?
I'm trying it. Sir.
Please. In maths and science, we try it on all the options. It should work every time. Huh? Otherwise, it is not a law. Otherwise, it is not mathematics.
Very.
Mathematics, every time 2 plus 2 is 4. It has to be 4.
Yes, sir. It worked, sir.
It worked? Okay,
Yeah.
then you are a magician. Then you can play this trick on others. You say, okay, whenever you go to somebody's house and you see a calendar, I know mathematics now. I will show you a magic. Put a square 3 by 3 anywhere you like. I will tell you the sum of the digits. They will say, my goodness, what kind of a girl are you?
But one more thing I want to say, tell you that don't write it, don't write to permanent marker, or your mom will beat you.
अरे बहुत सारे बच्चों की माना ऐसे परेशान है। ओके कोई बात। It is quite
Also, shift the cam, you forgot to shift the cam.
okay. Now is it clear? You can see this. Okay. Now I will write it like this. See, now I don't know which number is your smallest, right? I don't know. Like Nidhi got something, Harjas got something, Devina got something, different numbers. Fine. Now, how do we talk to each other now? So I will say, suppose your minimum number is M. Everybody's minimum number is M. And where it will appear here, right? In this corner it is appearing or not? Check your square. Is it appearing on this square, first square, right? Everybody's minimum number. And the maximum number is here, right? Fine.
You can better is if you shift the cam.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so minimum number, if we call it X, suppose like X man, we can call it X,
We can call it M.
invisible. It belongs to you also, me also, we will, but this X will means it is the minimum number. Okay. Now what is next number? In your case, suppose you got 8 here, 2 here, then this one is 3, right?
X plus 1.
X plus 1, awesome. So we will call it X plus 1. Now we are doing algebra.
X plus
What is
2.
Yeah,
X plus
this
3.
is nothing.
X plus
Algebra
4.
is the simplest of mathematics, and this is the most elegant and beautiful thing. Now next one is X plus 3. Oh, now what is here? Check your answer, your calendar, and see it is 7 plus, isn't it? Here, you see, whatever is here is 7 plus more. Is it so? So can we write
X plus 7.
awesome? Correct. So we write X plus 7. This is what algebra is. Don't fear algebra at all. It is simple. So X plus 7.
The next boxes are X plus 8, X plus 9.
Awesome. X plus 8 and X plus 9. So this is all algebra is about. Why people worry about algebra too much? Nothing to worry.
Bye.
Now this one here at the
X
lower
plus 14.
Or 16. X plus
X plus 14.
X plus 14.
X plus
Because
15,
see,
X plus
7 and
16.
7, it is weekly. Line is weekly. Now we write here X plus how much?
15, sir.
15.
Awesome. Then X plus
16.
16. Now you see, when we ask, now we are magician and we say, okay, I will tell you the sum of all these numbers. Any square, just give me X. Look here. Do you
X
see
plus
any
X
other
plus 1
variable
plus
here?
X plus 2 plus
See, this 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, and 16. Add all of these. You know it, right? It is fixed for everybody. It is fixed for you. It is fixed for me. It is fixed for everyone.
So
All
how
you
did
need is X?
how did 3 come? So how did 3 come after 1?
Oh, this is my mistake. Sorry.
it's 2.
Thank you for pointing it. It is X plus 2. I am not a professional teacher. This is why it happens. And look, everybody is paying attention. See, in class, in a school class, teacher has to say, everybody pay attention here, pay attention here, pay attention here. And my kids say, teacher,
Yes.
you pay attention here. My kids correct me.
Yeah,
And
that's good.
yes, that's cool. And in the class, what happens? Teacher would say, hey, everybody, look at me. Here, everybody is correcting me. So it is cool. Okay, now you know everything. But you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these numbers you can add, right? Add. How much?
Total sum of all of these is 9x plus 72.
9x plus 72. Correct. Awesome. This is 9x plus 72. Now you see here 9x, huh? Imagine
So,
72 also is 9 of something, isn't it? See,
9 of 8.
9x plus 72 is equal to 9 times of x and 9 times of 8. You get it now? 8, where it is coming from? 9 times of 8. So it becomes like, if we say
8 into 9
9
is nothing but 72.
yes. So what we are doing, we are adding 8 here, x plus 8, and multiplying by 9. You get sum of all the numbers, right? You get the trick now? It is no trick. The trick is only for stupid people who don't want to learn mathematics. They will pay you, how much we should charge for the show? 100 rupees? Ah, it is too cheap.
No, that's
We will charge 100 dirhams.
No.
100 dirhams, and if we get 100 viewers, we will get 1000 dirhams.
Of what?
Then
We will conduct magic shows, Kabir. Magic show. Everybody come, take a ticket, and we will show you magic.
sir, I would rather take 50 or 100 rupees.
He will take 50 rupees. Okay, that also is
I
fine.
am already too rich.
Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. So you know now why we were adding 8 and multiplying by 9? This is all algebra is. Algebra is just wherever there is a variable, like your question is different, your set of data is different, my set of data is different, his set of data is different. So we agree upon one thing, that okay, let us call our minimum number as x. This is the only purpose of x. You will find so many.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question.
Okay.
Why do you say that if we get one, then
No, I can't hear you. Dan.
1,000 dirham, we will get
That is, nah, let us drop that idea now, because everybody is listening and we are here to do some real work. Yes, you can charge anything you want, or you can do it for free. We have to teach mathematics so that people don't get fooled by this. This is why we have to learn mathematics so other people cannot fool us. We are not out to fool people. Yeah, we are out to teach people. We have to educate them that this is not magic. This is normal science. That is what we should be doing. That money part is just a joke. Okay, so this idea is, it, and during the day, you just play it with your calendars. You can color your calendar in any way you like. And this trick is going to work because you know why it will work. You know the trick now. And the same way, this x, the elusive x, is simply nothing but a variable that serves the purpose of, because our variable is different. You are using a different calendar. He is using a different calendar. I am using a different calendar. This is why. Okay, so this question is clear. Now we have had enough fun. Now we will do another question. That again, see, now we will use three things. Multiplication, we will use everywhere. There is one more idea here. Look here. You were saying x plus 8, right? Suppose in magic, you get to see this. You see x plus 8 is here. Look, suppose you ask, give me minimum number or show me the calendar. Instantly, just by looking, I will calculate. You ask them to show the calendar, and when they show, you see x plus 8 is here. We added x here, but x plus 8 is sitting in the center. You simply multiply by 9, your answer. You get the idea? You have two ways of doing it. Either ask for x or simply look in the center. What is the center number? Multiply by 9.
So that means I can do the center number into
And
9.
simply multiply by 9. And does anybody have an idea how to quickly multiply by 9?
That means in a chart of 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1.
Yes, center number simply multiply by 9. And if you have to multiply by 9, yeah, then you do one thing. Yeah.
Into 10 minus 9. Minus same number.
Yes.
We have to first write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from bottom to top, again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all the numbers are the
Yeah, that is another way. But if you have to multiply by 9, simply multiply by 10 and take away 9. You have to
or-
multiply this one with
Sir,
9.
Did you copy my
23?
idea?
Simply
So you can
multiply
see
by
this
10.
number x. You can call a number x. So you have to multiply x by 10 and then minus x.
No, but yes, x by. Yes, you get it. You have truly placed it in a mathematical way. You multiply by 10, that is x by 10, and simply take away
And
9
x
from it.
minus x.
Awesome. This is the mathematical thinking, the thinking. Awesome. Awesome. Yes. See, this is how we do it. Every time we think about a question, we will do it two ways. One, the arithmetic way. Second, we will do it in a geometrical way, by looking at things, how it appears. And third, we will do it algebraic way. Okay. Now,
Did that 10 idea you copied from me?
an idea I copied from him because he is the most lazy person in the world, and he gives me ideas how to calculate without using brain. He told me when you multiply by 9, simply multiply by 10 and reduce 9. And why reduce 9? Reduce minus 1. Oh, reduce 10 and then add 1. He is that kind of lazy person.
So that's how I do it.
You are also lazy. Then you are laziest and he is lazier. Okay. Now, what if I tell you a story?
Yeah,
We would love a story.
We would,
Get me that goose story. Goose story.
but sir,
It is maths. Huh?
there is an easier way to multiply by 9.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me.
You from 1, you can do 9 1s, 9 2s from till 10 from your fingers.
That is what. No. Goose paper. No, not that one. Okay, leave it. That is what Harjas was also saying. Same, correct. Okay. Now I will tell you a story. But in my stories, you will either find science or mathematics. I don't know any other story. When I read Alice in Wonderland,
Something very low.
is it?
It's not. It's fine. It's coming fine.
Okay.
I'm
completely
hearing it
fine.
fine.
It's completely fine.
Because his mother anyway doesn't listen to me, so he doesn't listen to my voice, so he tones me down. आपकी माँ ने वॉल्यूम कम करके रखा हुआ है because उसे कम चाहिए. Okay, now, so there is a story. It goes like this. There was a goose. You know the plural of goose? You know goose? Geese. Correct. So see, this is how we learn. We learn mathematics. We learn English also. We learn everything is mixed up. The problem with school learning is it is not connected. Today we are learning arithmetic, but you don't know where to use it. You are learning percentage today, but you don't know fraction is also a part of percentage. Everything together. So we are talking.
If you connect an LED to a battery, how do you connect one terminal? You have to connect other terminal to the other side of that.
Yes. Okay.
That only
So
will turn on.
there was a goose. He was flying. He was a little goose, and there was a big. What you call it? If there are many goose flying in pattern, what do you call it?
Gaggle.
Gaggle of goose. Correct. So this little goose
Flock-
was flying,
flock
and there
of
was a
goose.
pack of the leader. He says to the leader. You are 100.
Oh,
What he said, the little goose said to the pack of the leader, you know that gaggle leader, he was flying in the front. He said, you are 100. He said, you stupid goose, you are so small. How did you count? We are not 100. Then he gives the goose a little puzzle to solve. What he says, whatever our number is, add it to itself. Okay? Our number is, add it to itself, then add half our number and add 1/4 our number and add yourself, then we are 100. This is the. Now the goose is scratching his head and everywhere. What? How do I know? How many are you? Because it is a goose, so he doesn't know what to do. I will tell you the answer again. He said, we are not 100. What? How many are we? Whatever our number is, total, add it to our number, and then add half of our number, and add 1/4 of our number, and add yourself, then we become 100. Goose couldn't figure it out, so goose goes to stork. You know, stork brings babies, and stork is a very intelligent bird. So he goes to stork and says, stork, please help me. This is the problem. Stork says, okay, I will help you. So how stork helps him and how we can do this problem? 3 ways. We will do it arithmetically, we will do it geometrically, and we will do it algebraically. Okay? Always we will do it. See, whenever you see a question, don't be satisfied if you reach an answer. See, can it be done in 3 steps? Can it be done in lower steps? Can it be done in other ways? Can it be done in many other ways? That way. Then you understand mathematics like you know the back of your palm. You know everything. So we will do this geese problem. Okay. Now we have something to wipe here. No, not this way. No, get a cloth. Oh, it is permanent marker I used.
No.
We get some. Oh, I used a permanent marker on my board. I used a permanent marker. How stupid of me. Abhi go grab some cloth.
First, I thought a permanent marker can come out from a board.
Abhi kapda lao, kapda do kapda.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा।
sir, my permanent marker comes out from a board.
Maybe your board is of some different material, or your permanent marker is not really permanent. We are using spirit, you know, the hand sanitizer. For,
So you're using spirit to clean?
yes, the hand sanitizer is also alcohol. It will dissolve it.
Alcohol.
Yes.
I will put some more alcohol.
Bas. It will go away. This kind of things happen because when you mix up your stationery supplies, this kind of things happen. Okay, now we will do it this way. Okay, should I shift the camera and probably it will look better? Go and look at that. Maybe it will look better. I made a new setup. Can you check if it is better? This
It's
one?
good.
Okay,
I can
now-
see and it's fine.
Okay, it is little bigger now here. Okay, now see what the goose said. He said, we are, whatever our number is, can we call that number as an X? Suppose we don't know what number is, we will say it is
Starting
X.
with algebra.
So it is X. Imagine it is X. Can you see written here? Okay.
X
That's what
plus
the
X by 2 plus X by
Yes. Then again,
4
he said, add it to ourselves.
plus 1.
No, then half of it, X by 2. X by 2. One more time is X by 2. Then he said,
X by
1 by 4. 1 by 4.
X by
And
4.
then add yourself. Yourself means now it is not X because you are only 1. The small goose is only 1. So we add 1 here. All all of it is 100. Now, can we figure out x, how much it is? Right? Now here, 1 is x.
Yes, we can. We
Yeah,
can.
x is the total number of geese flying. Then add it to itself.
so-
half. Yes.
So we have to multiply
Add.
-1. That's 99.
Then -1 is 99. Of course, yes. Very right.
99 divided by 4.
Then we will see. This is one thing. Let us do it in geometrical way. Okay? Geometrical way. Another way. This is using this, we will figure out how much x is. Okay. One more thing you see. Suppose there is a x, like the geese is this many. Total geese this many packed, and this is half, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, right? It is 1. It is 1 pack. So this is 1/4 pack. This is 1/4 pack. What do you call it, Nidhi?
1 by 2.
Gaggle.
Gaggle. So it is a little weird word. Okay, 1/4. This is the 1/4 of a
It's
gaggle.
called a flock. It's
So it's
called
a gaggle.
No, it
It's
is
a
gaggle.
gaggle.
She is right. It is a gaggle. Gaggle of geese. Yes. We don't use this word very often. This is why. So it is total gaggle of geese, right? One group. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, right? Why we are doing 1/4? Because here you see at the end he was saying add 1/4. So we will bring everything into 1/4. Fine. Then he said again, there is one more. We add it to ourselves. 4 parts. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Okay. Then we make half. Right. This is how we are doing it in a layman's way. We don't know any mathematics. Still we can do it, right? This is mathematical logic. Now half is how much? From here
X.
to here. 1/4
1
and
by.
1/4. Half
So
is
what he is
1/4.
doing is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4.
Yes, 4 times is 1. So here 4 times 1. It is 4 times 1/4. It is 2 times. And 1/4 you already know. 1/4. Can we add all of these 1/4s? And we know how many 1/4. Here how many 1/4? 4. Here 4. Here how many?
2.
So it is 2.
X
And
is
here-
36.
Perfect. 4, 4, 2, 1. 4, 4.
36 plus 36.
This is 8. This is 4, 1/4. 4, 8, 2, 10, 11. 11 numbers of 1/4.
1/4 of X.
Yes, 1/4 of 11 numbers is equal to 99. 11, 1/4, like 1/4 is, you have 1, then 4th, 1/4, right? This is 1/4. 1/4 pieces 11 times. So when 11 times of 1/4 is 99, then what is 1/4? 99. You divide by 9.
9.
Divide 11 here and 11 here. How much it comes?
9. 9.
Yes.
11 is 99.
Perfect. 11 goes, then it becomes 9 and it is 36. Right? Like 11 1/4. You remove 11. So you remove 11 from here. So here also you have to divide by 11. 9. So 1 is how much? 36. Now can we fit it here and check if our answer is correct?
Yes, sir.
36 added to 36, then half of 36 add to it, and then 1/4 of 36. Can you add all of it and check if the answer is correct? The way we calculated. See, 36 is here. The whole gaggle is 36. Whole gaggle is 36. Half of the gaggle is 18. Then 1/4 is 9. How much it comes? 36, 36, 72. And yes, 72 and 8, 80, 90, 99. It is 99. So our answer is correct. Because whatever we get, we have to fix here again.
It is correct.
So this way we have solved it visually. This answer is visually, like we have not used any mathematics here
We
basically.
can
Did we?
do one thing, which is x.
Now we will come to x, Kavi. Now should we try the x way?
Yes.
Okay, let us do it in the more professional way. If somebody finds you using this x method, they would say, where is the key? I want to take away the key. You are not supposed to do this x way, but we will do it. Because small kids, they say algebra, grade 6, grade 5. We will do it now. See, x and x, you already know how much it will be. X added to x is 2x. Anything added to itself is how much?
2
2x.
of that number.
Yes, double of that. So it is 2x. Now, Abhi, would you want to do it? Okay. So if it is, let Shashwat join here. And
Sir, I should have.
no, I am not using it. Is yes, Jan.
I have to leave now because I have a class.
No big deal. I will upload this and you can watch it like you did the dice video. You can watch it here. Okay, welcome anytime. No problem at all. I'll record here. Okay. So here is x plus x plus x by 2 plus x 1/4 of x. We will say is equal to 99. Like that.
Yes, let's see.
Let us write is 99. 99 now. Can you start adding it now? Take. Now take.
But why and
So,
वो जो small goose है वो तो 1 add होगा, then only it will become 100. Now it is.
But why is it smaller?
It
So,
was a very small.
3/4 of what will be kind of equal to it?
Equal to 99. 99. Because you know there he said the gaggle numbers, total members of the gaggle plus itself plus half of it plus 1/4 of it, right? This is what we did. Is equal to 99 because when that small goose is added, then only they become 100. This is why. So add these all. X plus x is how much?
X plus x is 2x.
2x.
2x. Double. Simple.
So 2x.
So we will write here, little lower here. This way, write 2x here.
2x.
X. Okay, there are various other ways to do it, but x by 2 is simply half of x, right? And half is how much in decimal point?
0.5.
So can we call it 0.5x?
Yes.
Let us do it that way. We will not use ratios and fractions. We will use decimals. Okay, right here. Abhi, what is x by 2? Plus, replicate the number plus here.
You can also keep including the x by 4.
Yes.
It will be 0.75.
0.25.
Yes, you're right. No,
0.25
this is yes,
plus
0.25. Correct. 0.25.
Which is 0.75.
Actually,
0.25x.
Actually, this 25 is not actually 25. If you cover this 6, actually is 50 and
Yes,
this actually is
25. Yes, x, right? X you have to write. X
I'm going up, I have to go lower. Yes.
is equal to 99. Okay, now can we add all of this? Because adding is simple. Just x you add to x, x you add to x. 2, when you add 2.5, it is 2.5, right? And add 2.25, it is 2.75x. You add everything.
I made a line here.
Okay, now you write here. What is the next line? How much it is? 0.5 and 0.25, how much? 3/4?
Yep.
Right? 2? How much it is?
99.
In 99, you remain 99. It will remain. So right here, how much is the sum of?
I think this forgetting because I want to go there. What was that? Oh yeah.
2, 3, 4.
How much is the sum? Write the sum. How much it is?
The sum is
2.3. It's
Two.
2.75. 75 is 1/4
Yes.
plus half.
Correct,
That's
correct, correct, correct.
3/4.
2.75. X is equal to 99. Yes.
So that's 99 by 2.75.
Awesome. Then you get the value of X, how much it is. Then X, you write X here. 99 divided by 2.75. But 2.5 dividing is very difficult. So I will use calculator and I will check how much it is. 36.
36.
I did it faster than you in my friend.
We come back again the same way. But this 2.75 business I don't like.
Boss, see how I did it so fast.
Ah.
First I divide 2.75.
How to do job?
Then I did it like that.
Yes. But this 2.75 division was little tricky, right?
It's easier if you make it into fractions. Then you can just
Perfect.
do 99 divided by 11 by 4 and then
Ah.
do 99 times 4 by 11 and you get 36.
Correct. This is that way is better. So instead of adding it via decimals, let us do it by fractions. You see, this is what I tell all the kids. Do it same thing two ways. You know, we did it visually. We did it using decimals. Why don't we do it using ratios, fractions, right? Okay. So X plus X, can we write X as X divided by 1? Right. X divided 1 by 1 is X. So we write again X divided by 1. Right. And this X divided by 2, we write X divided by 2.
X
And
by
this-
1, X by 1, X by 2, X by 4.
Correct, Kavi. Correct. Very good. Now 99. Now, if the denominator is not same, we cannot add things. See, here we could add X and X2, but because the denominator is same, denominator. Here denominator is different. Here denominator is different. How we make denominator same? By
We can
multiplying. Making it double, making it 4 times, same.
We can find a common multiple and then we can multiply.
Yes,
I mean,
awesome.
we can multiply.
Yes.
Uh,
But there is another way of looking at it. Nidhi.
minus
Common multiple is one option, but let us make it simpler. Here, yes, common multiple is 4, right?
common denominator.
Perfect. Common denominator. In order to get 4, we multiply 4 here and we multiply 4 here. We multiply 4 here and we multiply 4 here. And here how we will get 4? X by
2
2.
by 4.
Awesome. You multiply 2 up
8.
and 2 down. So if we multiply something and divide by we make it double and divide by half, it is all the same.
Then you can
Yeah.
you can just say 1 and 1. But why do you have to say into 4 into 4 into 2 into
Which
1?
one? Here?
Yeah.
Here I made it 4 times up, then down also we have to make it 4 times, right?
Yes.
If we want to make this 1 as 4, we have to multiply by 4. Then only we will get 1. So 4x plus 2x plus x, all of them add. And we have 1/4, how much? 4, 4, 8, 2, 10, and 11x. So 11 1/4 is equal to 99. The same where we started from.
So 1/4 of what?
1/4 of 11x now. Right? We can express it this way also. Yeah, 1/4, correct. You are very right. You add all of these 4x, 2x, x. How much it comes? 11, 4, 4, 8, 2, 10, and 1, 11.
36.
Correct. By 4 is equal to 19. You can also write it this way: 11x of 1/4. because 1/4 is like you have a pie. This is 1/4. The same way 1/4 we have 11 times. You can visualize what exactly is happening. When you see ratios, you try to visualize what it is. Is 99. So when it is 99, you bring it to the same level. Divide by 11 here and 11 here. How much it comes? 11 is taken care of, and here 11, when it goes into 99, it leaves only 9. So 1/4 of x is 9. So what is the value of x? Is 4 times of 9, right?
36.
36. So we have arrived at the same conclusion through 4 ways. One decimal point we used, and we used what? The fractions, like Nidhi suggested, fractions also. Fractions took care of a lot of things. And then visually also we did, like we made a line and we created 1/4 here. That way also we did.
Oh, that's
Same.
simple.
So whatever suits you, it is not a question of what suits you. I suggest we do it in all ways. If we have 3 ways, you do the same question using fractions, same question using percentage, same question using other ways, that way. So that way we will keep practicing it. Like whenever we see 1/4,
But how do you do geometrically?
geometrically is like we did one. See, that time, like one gaggle is one line. So what we did, we divided it 2 times, right? We divided this line. This is total. Okay. We divided 1/2, 1/2. Then we made 4 lines, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. That way we added. That is geometrically, or you can call visually also. 1/4,
So all
1/4.
it is 9 times the 4.
9 times.
4,
Yes.
9 times.
Yes.
So
So
that will
one
be
line we did
36.
4 times. So it is, then again we made one line 4 times. Then one line we made only half of it. One line only this. So add all of this. 1/4, 2/4, here 4/4, 4/4. So 1/4 we are counting. 1/4 is 4, 4, 8 to 10 and 11/4. That way. So this is a visual way of counting it, but don't get threatened by algebra. Algebra is a very simple tool and we will progress slowly. Like this question, if you do it this way also you can do it. But you see, imagine if we do it 5 ways. Whenever you see 1/4, you start visualizing, oh, 1/4, our old friend. So what you will say? As soon as you see 1/4, you say, you imagine a shape 1/4 visually. हो गया? Now you say, when you say 1/4, you say, 1/4 is 0.25. Okay, so it is 0.25. 1/4 is 25%. So you say 25%. If you see 4 things every time, you will never be stuck with ratios, you will never be stuck with percentage, and you will never be stuck with decimals. All 3 things have to be learned simultaneously, not differently. This is happen. People, they will teach you ratio, they will teach you fraction, they will teach you percent. Oh, no. We will learn everything together. Once you understand why it is 25%? Because 1/4.
So because 425 is
25
100.
by 100.
Perfect. Yes, Kabir. Yes, very right. 4 times 25 is 100. So it is 25% because we are reaching
25
100.
by 100.
Awesome. Correct. This is the way to look at the things, because we have to make it into small manageable portions. Once you do it, things are done that way. And whenever we see 1/2, what we will see? We see
Half.
something 1/2. So we will say,
But
there is a
in-
picture and
or-
this is half.
50 by 100 or 10 by 20.
Correct. 1 by 2 is 0.5. It is in decimal. And in 100, what you will call it?
5 by 100. 50 by 100. Yeah.
50 by 50%. In 100, if you have 100 rupees, you give somebody 50, you have given him half of the money. Or you have given him 0.5, or you have given him 50%, same way. Now, today, you know what happens whenever I plan a class, I will take 5, 6, 8 questions. I say, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. Then when the class starts, my goodness, it is 1 hour now. Today, I was planning to talk about something weird. Okay, can you tell me what is 10? Uh-huh.
Let's take more time.
How much time we have now?
We have 5 minutes.
Okay, okay.
So today,
I'll stay for more time.
Sir,
I know
today-
the problem is then-
I'll
yeah.
stay for more time, sir, if you want.
Okay, what we will do is we will cover one more new thing. Maybe we will run over time, but I am sure you will enjoy it and you can use this trick on many other people. You
so
see, when we learn something, we should also go brag about it, right?
Sir.
We have bragging rights because we are learning more, so we can go brag about our capabilities. Yes.
so
I can't.
when you are leaving, don't leave meeting for all.
Okay, no problem. So now I am see, the mathematics is not answering textbook questions. Mathematics or science, anything is about generating your own questions. What I help you do it is, I'm not teaching you anything. I'm not teaching you how to solve problems. I'm only teaching you, I am just showing light and you find the way. Now you know the algebra, you will go about applying it anywhere. Same way, I am asking you one question. This is again showing light in another direction where I want you to go. Because there is a mathematics. Mathematics is not one. There are many areas of mathematics. The questions of mathematics are bound by certain rules. Like when I say, what is 10 plus 8? What you will say?
18.
18. You are very right, but you are right in one context. You are right in one context. It is 18. But now this is genius. 108. अभी कैसे कैसे genius है हमारी क्लास में यार. 108. Yes, very right. This is also right. And what if I say
I sleep
10?
at around 9 o'clock, but I wake up at 7 o'clock.
You sleep at say 9 o'clock. Okay, we will write it 9 here. You sleep at 9 o'clock and you sleep for 8 hours. So total how much it should be? 9 plus 8?
17.
17. But what time do you wake up? If you sleep at 9, wake up at 8.
Yes.
7
Oh,
o'clock.
sorry.
I
No,
actually
9 and
wake
sleep
up
for
at
8 hours.
8 hours, then it will be
Very simple. Add them all and reduce 12 from it.
Yuppie.
Minus 12. 5 a.m. or not?
Yes, I
No,
will.
sir, I wake up at 7.
Then your maths is not quite right. You are mixing up. And then no. If you wake up at 7, then you are sleeping more. It should be 10. See, 9 o'clock you sleep. 8 hours you sleep. How many hours did you sleep? 8? 9.
hours.
So
today.
5 a.m. you have to wake up.
Yep.
So how much it is? 9 plus 8 is 17 here. But here 9 plus 8 is 5. Isn't it?
Oh no.
Look at this way. 9 plus 8 is 17 in decimal system. But here what it is coming? 9 plus 8 is 5.
It's also
That's because the
72.
base number is different.
It's
Because
also
we need-
72.
Yes, yes, yes. You are very right. The base is different. It is 12. But there is
Oh.
one more thing happening here.
See,
At
so
12.
if it is like this, so you wake up at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. in the morning.
Yes, you are very right. Yes. The clock is getting reset every time at 12. See, here it is 12. This is why we deducted 12 here.
See, first this will go here. and
17
then-
minus 12, 5. Because 12 is resetting everything. It is going back by 12.
Yes.
It is a different kind of mathematics that is in play here. So we cannot say 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 when we are talking about base 12. Or it is kind of modular arithmetic.
So if you have like a different base, then it will be a different number.
Yes. If
Is
we
it-
talk about 3 base, then see, if you count in threes, then when you count 5, after 3 it will be reset. So 3 will be 2, 5 will be 2 in base 3. See, where I am taking you is base system now. Base system, what we talk about is 10. But what if we
In
start
binary
counting in?
system,
Huh,
base is 2.
yes. What if, and binary is base 2, very right. You go to 2, it gets reset. When it comes to 3, you again go back. Here, 12 is resetting. But what if we have a base 3? You are very right. Base 2 is everything is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 like that. Here it is base 12,
We use a decimal system. That means by
10.
10. Deci means 10.
Correct, correct.
Binary
But-
means 2.
2. So every 2, the moment it goes to 2 and we become 3, then we will take away 2 from it and come back. Everything is in 2. So next time I wanted to discuss this modular arithmetics. It is not for the kids, but I know that we can understand it. And there is a big application for it, and there are a lot of fun to be had with modular arithmetics. Lot of fun. There are, the cryptography, where there is a messages sent in secret words. There is a lot of application of this.
Like Morse code, or
Yes,
you can say Morse code, or
yes,
that,
yes, yes. The spies send messages to each other.
like they'll send some 17322.
Yes, and
Yeah,
everything is
that
mixed up.
means an
Nobody knows
alphabet.
what it is.
It's alphabets,
Yes,
actually.
alphabets,
I forgot
but
what
there is a
system that
lot of mathematics in it.
Oh, now I get it. See, first the clock is moving and usually it shuts down here and get back. Shuts
Like
down
the-
here and get back. But
Yes.
now it's resetting in this, and it's resetting every minute.
Every 12 o'clock, yes,
Yes,
every
yes,
12.
yes,
But
yes,
what
every-
if
And also you
instead
can
of 12,
keep it as, you can also keep it as sparks. Like you in the Russian thing, they were sending sparks, and the
Yes.
Americans were reading.
yes, this is what is called cryptography. And the biggest employer of mathematicians in USA is National Security Agency there. The biggest employer of mathematicians is National Security Agency in USA, because they need mathematicians. Doing what? They use mathematicians to crack codes. What India is saying. Now, who knows what Iran is doing? Where they have reached with their nuclear program? They must be talking to somebody. So they want to go grab that message and read. This is how cryptography comes.
Send
Yes.
sparks or things
And
like
if
that.
you want, we can start doing some experiments and some learning with cryptography. Cryptography is with letters also, with
Yes. We'll do that
this
next class.
arithmetic also. And the credit cards, we have credit cards. There a lot of mathematics is in play.
Yeah.
When
So
you
the
are
credit
using
cards, you just keep
WhatsApp
it
message.
floating.
Yes, yes. When you open WhatsApp, what it says? your message is being encrypted both ends. So that is cryptography, and it is too complex a thing. People don't start learning it till they reach college level. But why we have to reach college level? We can do it now. These are basic things. We don't want to go into formulas. We will learn the basics of it and apply as the need is. So this modular arithmetic, it has applications in cryptography, and there are certain games built around it. This is why I wanted to talk to you about it. And one more thing, when you talk about clock phase and when you talk about 1/4, see why I say everything is connected. See, I told you when you see 1/4, when you say 1/4, right? We talked about 1/4. Okay, we write 1/4 again. When you see 1/4, you visualize this 1/4, fine. So this is 1/4, and we say it is also 0.25, fine. We say 0.25, and we also say it is 25%, fine. But can we also say 1/4 is 15 minutes? Right?
Yes. Yeah.
That we also start thinking. When we
Yes.
say 1/4 is 3 in a dozen.
Yeah.
It is 3 in a dozen. So 3, when we are talking about a dozen, 1/4 is 3. When we talk about an hour, it is 15 minutes. And when we talk about 24 base, it is 8 hours. Isn't it so? The same 1/4 playing so many roles. You know why? Because in per day we are using 24 as a base. In hours we are using 60 as a base. In decimal we are using 10 as a base. And when we calculate day, we also use 12 as a base. So whenever we see fractions, when you see fractions, see all of it like this: 1/4 of a dozen, 1/4 of an hour, 1/4 of a day, 1/4 of a month. Month, it is 30. And you know, Egyptians used to, Babylonians, I think, they used to use 60 as a base. 60 as a base. We will go crazy calculating on 60s. We will do this mathematics one day. 60 base. They used to call it
So the
hexadecimal.
highest number is 59 and you have to calculate by 59.
Yes. And you know, 60 is a highly divisible number. People say that selecting 10 as a base for our decimal system was useless, because 10, imagine 1/4 is okay. When we say 1/4 of 10, we go into decimals, 2.5. But what is 1/4 of 12? It is still 3. So easy. Okay? We don't have to cut something. We can make 3. You can cut it, but you cannot cut 10 into 4 pieces. It is difficult. So why don't we start counting in 12 instead of 10?
That's why we have 60 seconds, 60 minutes.
But why don't we have 60 as a base of our number system? Let us make a rebellion and we stop using decimal system.
Voice is cutting from there.
Bigger number.
The voice is like this sometimes.
Okay, good. So why don't we do one thing? We stop using this decimal system. We will shift to base 60. And we will talk in base 60. We will do mathematics in base 60. We will do everything in base 60. That will be easy. No
But
decimal
how
point.
is 21/4 of 60?
21 difficult. So this is why they say, you know, they make trade-off. Like yes, 21 is difficult. But 60 is a highly divisible number. That way. We will learn about divisibility, and we will know about what numbers are highly divisible, which numbers are less divisible. This is why 12 was selected. And this is one of the, you know, in measurements, there is decimal system and there is imperial system. And when you say 1/4, you think about a feet. 1/4 of a feet. How many inches?
3.
3 inches. So this is what those English people say, our system is very good. You see, feet, mile, everything. And your system is decimal. We don't want to shift to decimal system. There are many countries, they don't use decimal system. Still, they don't use decimal system. They are still into imperial. They calculate miles, they calculate pound, and they calculate, they don't use decimal at all. They calculate in 1/16 of an inch, 1/32 of the inch, like that. So we will do, I think, some work on base systems, some work on fractions and ratios. But whenever you think about ratio, think about this whole spectrum, right? 1/4, you see, 1/4 of 10, 1/4 of 100, 1/4 of hour, 1/4 of day, 1/4 of feet, 1/4 of mile, everything fractions. And imagine if you start doing it, after a while, no one can beat you in fractions, percentages, and ratios. Nobody. You will have such a strong base. But we have to start thinking like that. Not separately. Percentage is not separate from fractions. Fractions are not separate from ratios. And ratio is not separate from, and they are all, they go mixed. And this is why, the base system comes. This is why I talked about it. So I will think up of something else. This modular, I was thinking we will cover cryptography today, and we will make, I had another question, but anyway. Yes.
There's no holiday. Actually, in the real Hindu religion, if you
Yes.
go to the Gurukula,
Yeah.
you'll have no holiday. at
Leave
all.
the meeting.
See, why you need holiday? If you are not enjoying some work, then only you need holiday.
Holiday.
If I am spending time with you, I don't need holiday. I could be daily. I could be working daily with you. We could be talking. We could be playing. We could be learning. I don't need a holiday, because this is no work for me.
Yes, it is
Somebody
something for me.
who hates his work needs a holiday. Who needs a break? Somebody who hates his work, he will need a break. I leave him with his projects. He doesn't need any holiday.
Holiday.
So we don't need to be looking forward to a holiday. You enjoy while you are working. You enjoy while you are reading. If you enjoy your studies, you don't need a holiday. If you enjoy your work, you don't need a holiday. I don't need a holiday.
Bye.
For me, tomorrow, if I get a chance to talk to you, be with you, it is no work for me. That way. So we will.
Protect the water level meter. That if you put this in these two wires in the water, this will start
Yes.
beeping. But I don't have water, so I can use this alcohol for now.
No. You dip it in water.
Oh.
Just a second, I put a bit of alcohol.
Yeah, what he is doing is, he has made this water level meter. So you dip it in water, and if it is in water is there, this LED will glow. You can go get one
Bleep,
glass.
It will bleep. See?
You go get some glass of water and show it to them. Maybe they can make it. Harjas, maybe you can figure out what it is. He has made. He is working on this since morning. I will hold it for you.
Careful. That's
Battery is low.
it. But we can hear it. It works. Here.
No,
here.
it is. They can hear because. Okay.
Keep this
Hi,
mic
okay.
close to the buzzer.
Okay. But they won't be able to.
Hear it?
I can hear like little bit. It's like very low, but I don't know if it's that or something else. But I can hear.
This is this math finds application everywhere. It is in electronics, everywhere. Great. So I will upload the recording, and I look forward to meeting you again. Now tell me, should I leave the meeting? Open or
Leave
should
the meeting.
I- Okay, I will. How do we leave the meeting? You hand it.
So at the bottom there'll be a leave button.
Okay. Make somebody host.
But still-